Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blood Strike game not launching, not opening, won't start, stuck on loading screen error on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method what you need to check is to system requirements. So for that, launch Steam and search for the game, and after that here you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements. Whatever the system requirements need to play the game. So after checking all the requirements, try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, make sure your graphics cards are updated. You need to go to Windows search, and after that search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Now select the graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Now once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, you can go through the link I have already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time. Now after verifying the files, now try to play the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 7 or Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on downloads, go below. From here you can see click clear cache option beside clear download cache. So you have to click on it and you will get this kind of pop-up which states this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply confirm it. After confirming it, you have to restart your Steam once and log into the Steam and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search whether the game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once you add it, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for task manager. Now under process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You have to simply select them. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Now after you get a setup successful message over here, click close this. Now restart your PC. Starting again, log into the game and then check if you can play it without any problem. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab, select hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Now after doing this, go to startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here also you have to do the same thing, select the application and click on disable. After doing this, go back, click on apply, and after that restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to update Windows. So you should make sure your Windows is updated. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates option. This will directly take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, you need to update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Most of the time the antivirus software stops you from playing the game and this can hamper and you cannot play. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game. Next solution is to install DirectX. So for that I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, you have to click on the download option. Now after downloading it, you have to open it and then launch and install DirectX on your system. After installing, now restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now go below, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you've done this, now check if the issue is resolved or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So let's go to the game folder. So here is the application, you have to add it. Now after adding the game to the list, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Bloodstrike game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now again launch Steam and reinstall Bloodstrike game once again and click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not.